Welcome everybody, RDR Sports Cards. It is Friday, July 3rd. We are here doing a live personal break for Matt. We've got one box of 2014-15 Panini Select Basketball. I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Nice. Good luck, Matt. Let's get you some heat, some monsters.
Yes, good luck, Matt.
Oh, let me see.
Empty box.
Did you guys see that Wiggins out of preferred we pulled too?
That was awesome. All right, good
Oh,
luck,
wow.
Matt. These ones are a little bit more sturdier. They're not.
Let me show you that Wiggins we pulled out of preferred. 4 out of 5. Photobombed your break.
I know. You got photobomb. Gary Harris, Zach LaVine.
That's a sweet Wiggins
Brandon
set.
Jennings. We got a Derek Favors Blue Parallel. This is numbered 150 out of 249.
Wow, look at that. Look at all the... That's a sweet set. Are you selling that?
I can't get it to focus. Derek Favors Blue Parallel. And Tony Parker.
That is
Next
a sweet
pack.
set.
Wow.
It's going for 1,000 right now. It's gonna go for big. I'm gonna watch that one.
We got Rajon Rondo, Chris Bosh, Kyrie Irving, Kevin Love refractor, and a Chris Webber refractor. Next pack. Russell Westbrook, Tyreek Evans. We've got a Darren Williams blue prism refractor. Okay, and our first hit, TJ Warren for the Phoenix Suns. On-card auto. This one is numbered 147 out of 275. TJ Warren. And then we've got an auto pourer. Next pack. Josh Smith, Mitch McGarry, LeBron James. We've got a Jabari Parker blue parallel die cut. This is numbered 171 out of 199.
Nice.
Jabari Parker. And then Russell Westbrook. Next pack.
Who's growling?
It's Buddy.
Buddy, relax.
Okay, Jose Calderon, Carmelo Anthony, Kevin Garnett. We got a filler card. John Henson, Milwaukee Bucks insert, and JJ Redick. Next pack. Anthony Early, Michael Carter Williams. We got a Kemba Walker blue parallel prism. Blue prism refractor, not numbered. And then our hit, Vince Carter, City to City.
Nice.
From the Phoenix Suns to the Dallas Mavericks. This one is numbered 191 out of 199. And then Tobias Harris. I can't believe that these aren't numbered. They're
I know.
snazzy. They're snazzy. All right, next pack. Ty Lawson, Luol Deng, Tim Duncan. We got a Chandler Parsons refractor, and CJ McCollum refractor. All right, next pack. Looking for some booms. Looking to break the internet. Not our website, but just the internet as a whole. Marcus Smart, James Young, Nerlens Noel. We got a Ben McLemore blue parallel. This one's numbered 182 out of 249. And then Derek Rose.
Let's get you some gold. Looking for some gold.
Yeah, looking for some tie-dye, some gold. Golds to 10, tie-dyes to 25. All right, Mike Conley, Andre Drummond, Chris Paul, a Dirk Nowitzki refractor, and Reggie Jackson. Next pack.
Maybe it'll be a gold ink.
That would be awesome. Ben McLemore, Shabazz Napier, Klay Thompson. We got an Otto Porter Prism Refractor. And Eric Gordon. All right, 2 packs left. It's got the hit in it. Okay, Adrian Payne, LaMarcus Aldridge. We got the Darryl Collison Prism Refractor. And your hit. Oops, upside down. Rookie swatches, a Utah Jazz,
Ooh.
Rodney Hood.
Rodney Hood.
This is a refractor. This one's numbered 43 out of 99.
Nice. It's all good in the Rodney Hood.
It is.
That's kind of cheese balls.
And Tony Snell. All right, last pack. This one's got one of those filler cards in there. Kevin Durant, Kenneth Faried, Michael Kidd Gilchrist, Kenneth Faried Team USA Basketball insert, and Mirza Teletovic. All right.
All right, so let me stop the video on that one.